which has been enshrined by this constitution, the country will stand upon this constitution. This is totally deteriorating in this situation. You know Atikur Rahman. You have to know him. He is very vocal in every kind of human rights issue. He was always active in the social justice issue. The Masood is saying also. He was studying in Jamia. He was very active in the political issue. He was forefront. He was led several protests for bringing the social justice and for the human rights interest. These two people were now in jail only because of they were visiting to a victim's family. So the Muslim youth has been targeted. They have been hunted in their issue now. This will never be stopped here. It will continue. Some people will come as the scapegoats in the next time. The government is using Muslims and there is as a scapegoat for their political interest now, which is going on here. So what I am saying is that it is a high time. This is a very high time that we need to come forward. We need to stand for the justice. We need to stand for the existence. That is we are saying. You have to understand that just 3-4 days before, the government alleged with some kind of foreign fund issue with Campus Front of India and some other outfit. They said that we got some kind of very big amount like 15 crore, 100 crore from Mizoram, Damascus and so on and so on. And what happened today? The ED rejected it. This is going on here. One day they came with some kind of concocted story and the next day some institution came with the rejection. This is going on. So we have to understand the real agenda of this government. By creating some conspiracy, creating some national kind of issues, creating some terrorist kind of issues, the students were being criminalized. The students were taken as the victim to escape from the public trial. While the discussion is going against this government, while the media was discussing about the failure of this government, they used some Muslim youths in this Dalit issue to cover up their failure. You have to understand that. Nothing with them. I'm damn sure about that. You're damn sure about nothing with them. They were going to deliver a solidarity with them. We are very transparent everywhere. We are very transparent. A journalist can now freely go anywhere for getting some reports there. A politician, a social activist, a student leader is forced to sit in the home. And they were not allowed to go anywhere for their things. This is going on. RSS is dominating this country through everything. You go through the recent verdict. Bhavani was verdict and so on and so verdict. What is happening here? They have purchased the judiciary. They have purchased the legislature. They have purchased the executive system of this country, even the media also. So the pillar of this nation has been under the hands of the BJP. So what is the final result for the do? The only thing that I want to share from the representative and on behalf of Campus Front of India National Committee, we are saying that it is a high time to come. This is a high time to come to the streets to mark the resentment. This is the thing that we need to tell. The word press freedom is going on here. So we need to understand the real issues here. Our leaders, one independent journalist and along with the driver were traveling to the Manisha Valmiki's house to express a solidarity. This is the only thing we have done here. This is the activities that are going on. And it becomes a crime now because maybe we are Muslim, that is the issue. They are trying to make the Muslims as the scapegoats for the Dalit issue. So, on behalf of Campus Front of India National Committee, I am requesting everyone to understand the real face of this government and to come forward and to do your part. Any further things that you want to you discuss with us, you can.
How do you plan to fight and take on this case? Apart from having a press conference, how do you plan to take on them legally?
Primarily, we are collecting the documents in connection with the legal fight. They were sent to the judicial custody in the Madura jail.
Right.
So the coming 20th is a hearing. We will move with the bail
Hearing,
application.
sorry. When is the hearing?
In Madura court. We will move with the bail application on the coming hearing date. Now the paperwork and the documents is going on.
Right.
We will actually in forefront for the fight of these people.
Can you tell us something more about the pamphlets that they were carrying?
Actually, there were no any pamphlets. It's just a mere story that has been concocted by this government. What is the pamphlet? I am openly asking this government to show it. What is this? I am the general secretary of an organization and I don't know what is the pamphlet. I am sure about that such kind of a pamphlet will ask never with that. And even the government is saying that the pamphlet is stating about the justice of Patras.
So you're saying that they were not carrying the pamphlet?
No pamphlet.
It was planted.
It's a plan, concocted story. You know, just 4 or 5 days before the police said that there is no any evidence in connection with the to state that it was a rape. And later the police said that there was a evidence. This is going on. One day the police come with one story, and next day they will reject it. This is going on here. The truth will be prevail. Basically, the RSS ideology is not giving any kind of dignity to the women and the securities of this the citizens. That's why since the BJP came to the power, the lynchings, the abrogations, the retrospective moves against the constitutional manner, and the rape cases, lynching cases has been raised. How do you praise it? What we can understand from this, basically RSS is against every kind of fundamental principles, the protection of the citizens, constitutional values. They are against all of these things.
आपने कहा कि ये सरकार मुसलमानों को, समाजी वर्कर्स को उसके कोड बनाती है, बलि का बकरा बनाती है। कुछ मिसालें दे सकते हैं?
देखिए, आपको अभी जो पहले ये दिल्ली में जो सब हुआ, उसके बाद क्या हुआ? जामिया का जो जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको बलि के बकरा किया जा रहा है, और बैंगलोर में जो हादसा हुआ उसके पीछे भी मुसलमान का हाथ कहा जा रहा है। अभी जो हथरस का इंसिडेंट आप देखिए, एक तरफ एक नैरेटिव ये आ रहा है कि ये जो अक्यूज्ड है, सबको पता अक्यूज है कौन, लेकिन वो नैरेटिव को बचाने के लिए, मतलब छुपाने के लिए काउंटर नैरेटिव बना रहा है। इसका असल बकरी कौन है, मतलब स्केप कौन हम है, मतलब कैंपस ऑफ इंडिया आ गए उसमें। तो उसको क्या होता है, आप इसमें अगर इसका केस में आप चले जाएंगे आपको पता चल जाएगा। जब पहले दिन को इन लोगों को पकड़ा 5 तारीख को रात तक इनका ऊपर मतलब बेलेबल ऑफेंस था, छोटी सी चीज है, बेल मिलकर आराम से आ सकते थे, लेकिन अगले दिन पूरा उल्टा हो गया मामला। क्यों? क्योंकि रात को जो नैरेटिव, जो गोदी मीडिया का जो नैरेटिव है वो बदल गया। वो बदलने से जो लोगों को पकड़ा है उन लोगों के ऊपर सेडिशन डाल दिया, उन लोगों के ऊपर यूएपीए डाल दिया। इस तरीके से एक बकरी का ये बनाया जा रहा है। तो ये हम देखिए जानबूझ के हो रहा है। इसलिए हम कह रहे हैं यहाँ पर जो मुसलमान है, दलित हैं, जो बीमार है, हर जगह यही हालत है। उनके खिलाफ इतना सेडिशन लगा रहा है। अभी कैंपस ऑफ इंडिया को भी वही चला रहा है, क्योंकि ये एक चीज को जो फेलियर, जो यूपी सरकार का जो जितने भी फेलियर है एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का, उसका छुपाने का एक रास्ता और कुछ नहीं है इसका। ये हम कहना चाह रहे हैं।
तो मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है, दिल्ली रंगों से लेके और अब हाथरस में पीएफआई को क्यों टारगेट किया जा रहा है? पीएफआई या सीएफआई को आप लोगों को क्यों स्पेशल टारगेट किया जा रहा है, मतलब क्या वजह है?
देखो, इसमें एक चीज है जो हिंदुस्तान के अंदर, जो हमारा मानना ये है कि आरएसएस एक बहुत बड़ा डेंजर चीज है हमारा हिंदुस्तान का डेमोक्रेसी का, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, एंटी पॉलिसी बनाने का। मतलब हाँ बीजेपी मतलब रूलिंग में,
लेकिन इसका पूरा जो चीजें बनाते हैं वो आरएसएस से कोई डाउट नहीं है। देखो हमारा मतलब पॉपुलर फ्रंट का हम लोगों का कोई वो नहीं है, हम कैंपस फ्रंट की तरफ से बोल रहा हूँ। देखो हमारा जो अनकॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग एक अप्रोच है आरएसएस के खिलाफ लड़ने का, बात करने का, उसमें हम कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज कहीं भी किया नहीं है। एक ही वजह और कोई वजह इसमें नहीं है। इसलिए हम वो लोग हमें टारगेट करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इतना पैसा वहां से आ रहा है, इधर से आ रहा है। देखिए आपको सिंपल से चीज बता रहा हूं, इतना बड़ा मुल्क है, मतलब एजेंसियां बहुत बड़ा है, ईडी है, एनफोर्समेंट है, आईटी, मतलब बहुत सारे एजेंसी है। वो बोल रहे हैं कि मॉरिशस से 100 करोड़ पैसा इन लोगों को आ गया, 50 करोड़ नेपाल से आ गया। अरे यार मैं आप लोगों को पूछना चाहता हूँ, इतना बड़ा एजेंसी आया, कहाँ से कौन भेजा, किसको भेजा, किसको मालूम नहीं होती है ये सब चीज को, किसको बना, किसको बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं। हम इसको चैलेंज करते हो, आप प्रूव करके दिखाना, बोलने के कुछ नहीं होता है। बोल रहे कि फलाना रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक, फलाना सोर्स के रिपोर्ट इतना पैसा है, कौन भेजा, किसको भेजा, कौन सा करोड़, ये बता नहीं सकता। हम पूछना चाहता हूँ, ये बता दो ना, हम चैलेंज करता हूँ, लेकिन बोलता नहीं। फलाना पॉम्पलेट पकड़ा है, लैपटॉप था उनके पास, बस उसके बाद कोई पूछता नहीं है हुआ क्या है, कुछ नहीं है। अभी कोर्ट में इस तरीके से बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, बाकी बात में कुछ पता नहीं चलता, लेकिन मीडिया में मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया में जाता है वही लोग सुनता है, और कुछ नहीं होती है। यही है।
मैं थोड़ा समझ नहीं पाया, अभी आप ड्राइवर का मेंशन कर रहे थे, तो आपका ड्राइवर का आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से कोई मतलब नहीं है, मतलब एक सिंपल ड्राइवर को भी इसके अंदर
बिल्कुल मतलब ही नहीं है। देखो इसमें दो लोग कैंपस फ्रंट का है, एक तो नेशनल ट्रेजरर है अतीकुरा, दूसरा दिल्ली स्टेट सेक्रेटरी है मसूल हक, ये दोनों कैंपस फ्रंट का मेंबर है। और एक जर्नलिस्ट उनके साथ है सिद्दीक कापन बोल के, वो एक मलयालम पोर्टल का रिपोर्टर है दिल्ली का, अलीमुगम बोल के। असल में वो जानते हैं इन लोगों को, बस इतना ही है। वो वैसे ही हाथरस जा रहा है तो वो सोचा कि रिपोर्टिंग करेंगे करके उनके साथ में गए। ये जो ड्राइवर है कुछ अता पता नहीं है उसको क्या जानता है, कैंपस फ्रंट क्या है, पॉपुलर फ्रंट क्या है, ये सब कुछ पता ही नहीं है। वो लोग हायर करके उसको लेके गए, उसके ऊपर भी डाला यूएपीए सेडिशन, क्या मतलब इसका। और ये जो जर्नलिस्ट है उसके ऊपर भी डाला हुआ है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है, कोई मतलब ही नहीं।
But is the journalist a member of the CFI? The journalist is a member of the CFI.
No, he is not a member of CFI.
This journalist is not a member of Campus Front of India.
Only the two.
We have two members. One is our national treasurer Atikur Rahman, and number two is the Delhi secretary Mazur Ahmad. These two are our members. One is along with the driver. He is not belongs to any organization, and one is an independent journalist. He is not our Campus Front member. Basically, our members are students. He is not a student also. He is a student.
I had this follow-up question only. So how long has the journalist known these CFI members? And the journalist went independently, you're saying, and the CFI members went on behalf of CFI.
Yeah.
And also, secondly, I wanted to ask, like, first of all, how long have they known each other? And how long has Masood been working for CFI? And the accused, Atiq family said that he had gone to AIMS to get some medicine and then suddenly decided to go to Hathras. So, was it a pre-planned visit or was it a very sudden visit?
Actually,
And like they went on behalf of CFI, means that they informed all of you and then they went?
yeah, our delegation went with the knowledge of our national committee. We have delegated them to visit the home and to express a solidarity. As like Rahul Gandhi went there, as like Chandrasekhar also went there. It's a students' organization moral duty when such kind of issues has been reported. Usually we are going there and we are expressing our solidarity to such kind of the victims, and we will bring them to the limelight for the fight against this injustice. This is usually going on. Every organization is usually doing such kind of thing. The same thing we have done here. And number two, Atikur Rahman is a heart patient, and he has been undergoing some kind of treatment in AIDS.
Okay.
Just 2 days before they went for the treatment
kind of
purpose,
treatment?
and they were staying in our office also.
Okay, so like the family didn't know that?
Yeah. Families knows everything. Families knows everything.
Right.
Families know about his responsibility. He has been
doing in Campus Front of India National Committee. Masood family is also known about this kind of things.
Did they contact the family member over there in Hathras?
Yeah, we have contacted and they are with them and we are jointly doing
No,
the
like
legal
before
process.
visiting, did they contact them?
Yeah, we have been in contact with the brother, with the family and so on. It's our duty. We have been in touch with them.
And what about Masood? How long has he been with the CFI?
Exactly, I don't know how much years he have been working for, but maybe since he started his study
In Jamia?
Delhi, Jamia.
What is it?
He done his degree here, and the PG also completed here in Jamia.
More and more journalists also visiting here and the channel also.
As CFI member, right?
So why this only particular South Indian journalists are victim in this?
He is Kerala Union Working Journalist, Delhi Secretary. He has been staying here in Delhi and working for his job here, right? As a working journalist. So when an issue has been raised, he tried to go there. Then he contacted, then get a message that we are going. They came with us. That's all.
That's it. But why not the other? Why only the particular Kerala journalists who are?
He's like he's asking why only South Indian journalists are getting targeted in Hathras, or let's say that's the situation.
No, he not only has been targeted. From my knowledge, our campus fund leaders also. Basically, the basic thing that I am saying you that mostly they were the Muslim gang, right? So they have been targeted by this government, and in some media has been taken up the Siddiq Kapan's issue only because he is a journalist. That's what.
Can you tell us the position of Masood? What is his position in CFI?
Masood is working as the Delhi State Secretary of Campus Fund of India.
Delhi State Secretary,
Yeah.
right?
You don't know how long he's been working.
What?
You don't exactly know how long he's been working.
Alam. The driver name is what?
You don't know exactly how long he's been working.
In organization.
Yeah.
Since he has been started his
How old is he? Sorry.
maybe 600, 5 to 6.
And were any of them questioned by anti-CAA for the anti-CAA protest by the police?
He has been in anti-CAA protest. Also, this
No, has he
Atikur
been-
Rahman also was in.
Yeah, please continue. You were saying?
This Atikur Rahman, this Masood Ahmad, and all our national leaders were in forefront in anti-CAA protest.
Yeah.
When it comes to Delhi, we were in Delhi. at
No,
that
no.
time.
Were they questioned by the police for the anti-CAA protest anytime?
What?
Were they questioned by the police?
No, yeah, they have interrogated with several kind of, they have interrogated with such kind of things.
They have.
Basically, they have planned to charge this kind of things. So they are trying to create some concocted story for this respective agenda.
Both of them were interrogated by the
Yeah. Every person who has been arrested was interrogated for around 10 to 12 hours.
except for the driver,
Including driver.
including the driver.
Even the driver was also charged with the sedition. What is the legality behind
No,
it?
no, for the anti-CAA. This is the anti-CAA.
No, the driver was not.
No, I'm talking about were these people also questioned by the district police for anti-CAA protests?
Yeah, maybe they have question. I don't know exactly what was the questions and in connection with it. Basically, every kind of the right violation has been happened there. Even their mobiles was seized. Their mobiles were seized, and they were illegally detained. And you basically, when a person have been reported as an arrest or have been detained, he has the right to call at least their advocate.
Yeah.
When from the time of they have been arrested, for the next 12 to 15 hours, we don't have any message regarding this issue. Even the KUWJ have taken this issue to the Supreme Court with for filing a habeas corpus. What it means, they don't know where is he, what is going on, what is happening on them.
Particularly
Okay.
that
Yeah.
question why is only this? Why not the others?
Actually, from my knowledge, more than Siddiq Kapan, our members were targeted.
The problem actually is with the CFI members. This is actually what happened. Or nothing else.
How long have they known the journalist, the Tapan and the CFI members? Were they friends or something? Or
Just friends, like we have a lot of friends in Delhi Business City, like that. Just 2 days before the Atiq Rahman have participated in a joint protest. You know, they are lively staying here in Delhi and doing the political students activities here. So they have a lot of connections. It's not a matter.
Atikur Rahman has been a part of CFI for how long, if you can give us that number? Or how long he has been a member of the campus front?
Since he started his studies, what is basically Campus Front of India, which means it's a new student movement. Primarily, we are giving membership to the students only.
Where did he study?
After his
which university?
Which university? That's what I'm asking.
Yeah.
he just completed from the
Meerut University.
Okay, can you please also give us the full name of the driver?
Exactly.
Alam.
Alam.
No, he'll have a full name, no?
We will confirm it. We will give that.
The problem is they hired that man.
It's like a cab. If you are going through the Uber driver also get arrested here. That is the situation going on.
Could you give us more details about, like, he went to Meerut University? Atiq.
Since on 5th October morning, they hired a taxi and the team went to the Hathras.
From Delhi?
From Delhi. While traveling at Madura toll plaza, toll chow, the police asked, "Where are you going?" We said that we are going to Hathras to visit the family of Manisha Valmiki, so to express a solidarity. Then asked that, "Who are you?" They said that we are campus members. Then suddenly they taken to the custody, and then the script started. This is the only thing we will be.
No, actually, I wanted to ask Atiq, like she asked, like, was from Meerut University.
Meerut University.
Yeah. What studies was he doing? How old was he? Is he?
Exactly.
Master in library.
Social.
And how long has he how long has he been the office bearer here? At
From the
CFI?
time of 2019.
2009.
From 2019 January, our time has been started for the academic year of 2019 and 20. 2-year time is usually taken by the National Committee Constitution. So from the academic year of 2019 to 2020, there would be a bearers. So you know,
Every 2 years the
Delegation
leadership
will change.
will come new leadership.
So you would ideally it is only the body, or it is the whole India.
social. You have been working with the cause of social justice. You will involve in every kind of issues where the justice has been given.
Certain properties are something, certain areas is something.
Mainly focusing on the students' issues. That is our prime work. And also some kind of lack of justice, equality rights has been happening. Then we also
And
improving on
also,
such kind of issues
like,
through what manners and means.
Both the CFI members, before visiting, like before leaving on Monday, were they part of any protest to the, like, in relation to this incident in Delhi, maybe?
We have been involved in
When that big protest. Okay.
और वो लोग
They had.
कहाँ के हैं ये
was there?
दोनों?
Masood was there? Not Masood. Not here.
Where are they originally from? Those two boys of CFI. Where are they originally from?
Masood is from UP Lucknow, but he is studying in Jamia.
जी.
And Atiq is from Meerut.
You also study.
Atiq, you. I have been studying.
Would you
I
know?
am basically from Kerala.
Would you know their exact ages?
What?
Exact age,
Who's?
both of them.
Atiq.
Yeah.
It's very risky to tell.
Okay.
Shall I change? Is it over?
So may I know your name? Your name. Name, sir.
P. Abdul Nazar. P. Abdul Nazar.
Abdul Nazar.
Abdul Nazar.
Can you spell it for me, the letter part?
ABDUL Abdul NAZAR Nazar. P. Abdul Nazar.
So what's your position?
Sorry?
Your position in
National
CFI?
Committee member. Campus committee member.
And so your name? Rao
My
Sharif.
Raul Sharif.
R-A-O-S.
RAUF.
U-F?
R-A-U-F.
Yeah, after that surname, sir, please.
Sharif, S-H-E-R. So, if there is no any question, we can conclude. And